Hi everyone. So, do you struggle to do your makeup? Is your foundation always looking ashy in pictures? Are you always confused about which color to use on your face? If yes, then you're at the right place. Stick around and all your queries will be answered. Today, I will be sharing with you my tips and tricks on how to do makeup the correct way. So, without further ado, let's get on the video. So this is my beautiful mother who was generous enough to be my model for this video. So before you start your makeup, always make sure to prep your face. I cannot emphasize more on how important prepping your face is. I will soon make a video telling you all about the importance of prepping your face and using a primer before you start your makeup. Anyway, so without drifting from the topic, here I am using a hydrating essence from the brand Believe. I'm taking a pea-sized amount and spreading it all over her face. Now I'm taking my Sebamed moisturizer and I'm gently massaging the cream on the face so that it gets absorbed. Then taking a primer from the brand Color Essence. You can use any primer. Taking some product and focusing it on the enlarged pores on your face. So what a primer does is that it basically fills in your pores so that when you apply your foundation, the application is even. Now I'm taking my trusted Kryolan concealer and foundation palette and I'm using a pale shade of concealer and color correcting the under eyes, around the mouth and any other redness that I can see on the face. Now taking my damp beauty blender, I'm blending the product in. Always make sure that you're patting the product in and not dragging it upwards because the facial hair grows downwards. So to keep the foundation natural looking and seamless, you should apply it in the direction of the hair growth. Now I'm using a foundation from the same palette and putting tiny dots all over the face. I cannot emphasize more on how important blending is while you're doing your makeup. So always blend your makeup till you get a smooth finish. Well, another tip that I want to give here is that always be very gentle while applying your foundation. Do not be rough on your skin, do not tug, do not drag and do not rub your face. Well, after I've applied foundation, the face is looking quite plain. So we need to bring back some life into it. So we contour. What contouring does is it sculpts your face and gives it some color, definition and depth. So starting from the tip of the ear, going towards the mouth, that is where the hollows of your cheeks are and that is the place where you contour. We contour the forehead, define the nose and make it look slimmer. We refine the jawline and under the chin to hide the double chin and make your face look more edgy. I'm making sure that I'm blending the contour as close to the hairline to make it as natural as possible. And you can clearly see that contouring has made a huge amount of difference in the appearance already. Well, I know a few people who are really afraid of contouring. I just want to say through this video that don't be afraid of experimenting. Practice till you get perfect and trust me, contouring is not a big deal. You will get the hang of it. You just have to practice. Now I'm applying a blush from Bobbi Brown in the shade Sand Pink. You apply blush on the apples of your cheeks. You may ask what the apples of your cheeks are. Well, they are the part of your cheeks which naturally pops out when you smile. So always smile when applying your blush. That's always a good idea. I always put the remaining blush on the nose as it looks really cute. Now using a bronzer, I'm deepening the contour and giving the face a natural shadow. Make sure to blend the contour with your blush. And as you can see, the base looks quite flawless and the makeup that we have done so far is quite natural looking. And I'm quite happy with it. Now we come on to the eyebrows, and I'm not using any fancy product for it. I'm taking my Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette and using a brown eyeshadow to fill in the eyebrows using a flat brush, making sure that I'm gradually building the product in. So a tip that I want to give you guys here is that do not touch the front of your brows and fill them with color, as it tends to give a very clown-like finish, and trust me, it is not attractive, and I have seen a lot of people make this mistake. So I've seen a majority of people use a black shade to fill in their brows. So another tip that I want to give you guys here is that never use a very dark shade to fill in your brows. Secondly, always choose a shade lighter than your hair to do your eyebrows. Use a spoolie brush to blend your product in your eyebrow. If you don't have a spoolie brush, then don't worry, you can use your toothbrush to do the same, and it will give you an amazing result. Using a mix of brown and copper, I'm putting the color all over the crease, and with a fluffy brush, I'm blending the product. I repeat the same process on the other eye as well. So when doing your makeup on mature skin, always keep in mind that less is more, because there are so many folds on the skin. To avoid creasing, always apply less. So using a highlighter brick by Nika, I'm putting some under the arch of the eyebrows and in the corners of the eye. Now, using a color bar eyeliner, I'm putting small strokes as close to the eyelid as possible to define the eye. This method is very simple, quick and easy, and it is not messy, trust me. And as you guys can see, I was able to create a very neat look using this method. So always make sure that while applying your eyeliner, if you have saggy skin on your eyes, always gently lift the skin up a bit and apply your eyeliner like I did to get a clean look. You guys try it and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. So now I'm using a deeper maroon brown shade and placing it right on the top of the eyeliner to give it a smudged look. Another tip for you guys is that harsh lines like eyeliner make you look older than you actually are. So by doing this step, you give your eyeliner a much softer look, thus making your eyes look more nicer looking. So now I've taken a soft peachy nude lip pencil by the brand Pack, and I'm lining the lips. Now I'm taking a soft pink lip pencil and I'm filling in the rest of the lip with this color. So because the lip pencils are quite waxy and they are hard to blend in, I'm taking some lip balm on my fingers and blending the two shades together to make them look one. And this will give a very natural glossy effect to the lips and also keep them moisturized. And the look is complete. What do you guys think? Well, I personally like this look a lot, and I feel that the makeup is looking very elegant and subtle. It's not caked up at all. I hope my video was informative and helpful to you guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys liked my video, please hit the like button and show your support by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much. I shall see you guys soon with another video. Thank you. Bye.